ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணியம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 92 ஸ்லோகா 3. ஸ்திரீஷூத்ராः த்வத்கதாதி ஸ்ரவணவிரஹிதா ஆசதாம் தே தயார்ஹாः त्वत्पादासन्नयातान् द्विजकुलजनुषु हन्त शोचाम्यशान्तान् वृत्त्यर्थं ते यजन्तो बहुकथितमपि त्वामनाकर्णयन्तो दृप्ता विद्याभिजात्यैः किमु न विदधते तादृशं मा कृथा माम्. Word by word meaning. Tvat kathadi shravana virahitaha, who do not have the opportunity to listen to the narrations of thy stories, etc. Stri Shudraha, women and men of lower social strata. Dayarhaha, are to be sympathized with. Te asatam, let them be. Tvat padasanna yatan, tava padayoho asannam samipam yatan, those who have the opportunity to come near thee. Ashantan, but are yet devoid of self-control and calmness, drawn towards sense objects. Dvija kula janushaha, those born in the twice born caste. Hanta shochami, alas, I pity. Te vrithyartham yajantaha, they perform yajnas for livelihood. Bahu khatitam api, even though told many times. Tvam anakarna yantaha, they do not listen to thee, thy teachings. Vidyabhijatyaihi, because of learning and high birth. Druptaha, being arrogant. Kimu na vidadate, what misdeeds do they not do? Mam tadrisham ma kathaha, do not make me like that. Full meaning. Women and men of lower social strata who do not have the opportunity to listen to the narrations of thy stories, etc., are indeed to be sympathized with. Let that be so. But alas, I pity those born in the twice born caste who have every opportunity to worship thee, but are yet devoid of self-control, being drawn towards sense objects. They perform yajnas merely as their means of livelihood. Even though repeatedly told, they do not heed thy teachings. Arrogant because of their learning and high birth, what misdeeds do they not perform? Do not make me one like them, O Lord. Note, see Bhagavata Skanda 11, chapter 5, verses 4 to 9 and 10 to 16. Om Tat Sat.